A city of gardens within the city of Mumbai. A hub of solitude amidst the city's humdrum. An address of active lifestyle that makes life worthwhile. A strategically connected spot that connects lives with an ideal lifestyle. The queen of the eastern suburbs, Chembur. Chembur has transformed itself from a small suburb of yesteryears into a multifaceted cosmopolitan of today and has truly become the new epicenter for one and all. No matter where you come from or where you want to go, commuting from Chembur is extremely convenient. Hit the Eastern Express Highway or cruise to your destination via Eastern Freeway. Reaching any part of the city by road has never been easier. It is also well connected with public transportation like railway, monorail and the upcoming Metro Line 3 and 4. Frequent flyers will also find the location convenient, as both the domestic and international airports are easily accessible via SCLR. With such an amazing connectivity, you can reach any of the major corporate hubs like BKC, Lower Parel, Airoli Business Park, Fort and Powai within just 30 minutes from Chembur. And at an address with such a robust connectivity, we present to you an abode of serenity, Duke's Horizon. A locality blessed with abundant lush gardens and community parks, Chembur is the greenest highline suburb. Enjoy the soothing views of BARC Hills from your residence or escape for a game at the Bombay Presidency Golf Club, the Chembur Gymkhana, BPCL Refinery Sports Club and the Acres Club. With heritage restaurants housed in Chembur, one can indulge in delicious food at any of the legendary restaurants or modern cafes and restaurant chains. After a long and tiring day at work, enjoy a movie or go for a retail therapy at a nearby mall. What's more, many premium hotels, multi-specialty hospitals and world-class schools and colleges are in close proximity too. We understand the value of maintaining your work-life balance and hence, to offer you an unmatched lifestyle at Duke's Horizon, we bring to you an iconic business park, the epicenter right next door. With a fully advanced fitness center, children's play area, senior citizens area, there is something for everyone at Duke's Horizon. Here, each spacious apartment is thoughtfully designed with all the premium comforts and conveniences of the world. With a plethora of lifestyle amenities, Duke's Horizon truly takes living in Chembur to an even higher level. Come, experience it yourself. Duke's Horizon.